do miss cheese, so today I am going to review 3 different vegan cheeses, and I'm going to make grilled cheese with tomato soup. And I'm going to add 2 slices. So, the trick to making grilled cheese with vegan cheese is to do it low and slow so that the cheese gets a chance to melt. Okay, and if we just take a look at what's happening with our first one, see it has started to melt. So I'm just gonna flip it. We're getting a bit of melt here. Oh yeah. Whilst I'm waiting for the grilled cheese, I am going to make some tomato soup. Good melt. And this is the Irene's Gourmet. Bit of melt. Didn't melt as well as the others though. Out of all, I think the Violife is my favorite. Second is the Woolies, and my least favorite is the Irene's Gourmet, just because it's got a very nutty taste and it didn't melt as well. But nonetheless, all of them are super delicious in this tomato soup. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.